Happy trails, folks. This is Rick from Travel with RickandD. Today, I've been installing security lights around my property because I live on a corner and I have nobody beside me and nobody behind me. It gets quite dark here. So we figured it was time to put up some security lights. You get 4 of these in a pack. We ordered them off of Amazon, and they're 92 LED. They're quite bright. I've already got 3 others installed. So today I'm gonna show you what you need to install this and how quick it goes. It comes with screws, it comes with wall plugs if you're gonna put them in a wall. It comes from a little manual, waterproof, heat resistant, frost resistant, and it also comes with a template to show you where to drill your holes. Use an 1/8 inch bit would work just fine. So today I'm going to install it up on this palm tree. You give me 2 seconds and I'll get right to it. First of all, go up on the ladder. Pretty sure you guys can see me. Move this a little bit. Pan her over some so you get a better view. Here I am up on the ladder. I've got my Makita cordless drill. And the screw packet that came with the lights. I'll only be using the screws. I do not need the wall plugs. This is the template that they gave to us with the lights to show you where to drill your holes, so you can pre-drill your holes. Change our drill tip. Put the bit in our pocket so we don't lose it. Put in our drill tip. Make sure you have the unit on, so that after you put it up, you won't have to go take it down again to turn it back on. It's real easy to do, to leave that in the off position. 1, 2, 3. That is up on the tree. You'll have to do some trimming if you're working off of a palm tree to get yourself a flat area so you can put up your light so it will stay and it won't try to run the radius of the tree. But that is basically it. The one on the front, which I'll show you in a second, I siliconed in place. So let's walk around this unit right now, which is a Lux. And look at the other lights that I've installed. Here's the one that's on the tool shed, or the she shed as my wife calls it. 2 screws, use the pattern there, works like a charm. Then the other one, I actually put on the roof on the corner so that it would shine over into the parking area where I park my truck. And this is the common area that nobody owns. Can never be sold to anybody. And this is where my unit is on this corner lot. Today I've got the awnings out, letting them get a little bit of air from the rain we've had this year. And the other one that I installed is right here on the front of the unit. Which I siliconed in place and then held it down with a little bit of duct tape for the silicone took. But these things are quite bright at nighttime, and you'd be surprised how much light these things give off. And if you're in an area like I am, where there's really no light here on this corner, for $30, it's a real cheap fix. And the last thing you want to do is be worrying about people with sticky fingers helping themselves to stuff that you've worked your whole life for. The next install will be the Bling cameras. And they have an app that goes to your phone, and for $10 a month you can have your data stored indefinitely, so you can go back and look at whoever's been on your property in whatever time or whatever month, which is really, when you're full-timing and this is your home, it's a small price to pay for security. Anyways, this is Rick with Travel with Rick and D. Thank you again for tuning in. We ordered these on Amazon. It is their best price package. I will show you the box that it came in. This is the box. There's 4 to a package. And all you need for this is your Makita screw gun, a couple of drill bit sets, and a ladder if you need to get up high. Thank you for tuning in. Until the next time, thank you. See you on the road.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, see you on the road.